You don't need to be a genius to have amazing ideas. You just need this one secret formula. Most people think great ideas come from nowhere, like magic. But here's the truth. Every big idea you know was made by mixing two simple things together. Let me show you. The airplane? Someone mixed a bird with a machine. Netflix? They mixed movies with mail delivery, then added the internet. Even pizza came from mixing bread with toppings. So how do you do this yourself? Here's the secret formula. Step 1. Fill your brain like a toy box. Watch everything, read everything, listen to everyone. The more stuff you put in your head, the more you have to play with later. But here's the important part. You can't just watch and do nothing. You have to start making things, even if they're bad at first. Because there's no point collecting ideas if you never use them. Step 2. Write down cool things you see. It doesn't matter if they don't match. A funny joke, a weird animal fact, something your friend said, write it all down. Think of it like collecting Pokemon cards, but for your brain. Step 3. Smash ideas together. This is where the magic happens. Take two random things from your list and ask, what if I mixed these together? That's literally it. For example, someone took exercise and video games and made fitness games like Just Dance. Someone else mixed art with computers and made digital drawing. See how easy this is? But wait, here's the best part. You don't have to wait for ideas to hit you like lightning. You can make them happen right now. Let's try it together. Think about YouTube videos. Most people make them sitting at a desk, right? Now, think about places that are cool, but nobody makes videos there. What about underwater? In a treehouse, while riding a roller coaster? Boom. You just created 3 new video ideas using the formula. The secret isn't being the smartest person in the room. It's just knowing how to mix things that already exist. Every successful person uses this trick. They just don't tell you about it. But now you know. Your homework. Look around right now and pick 2 things you can see. How could you mix them into something new? Write it down. If this blew your mind, hit that like button and tell me in the comments what crazy combination you came up with. I want to see your ideas. And subscribe, because next week I'm showing you how to make any boring topic exciting. Trust me, you'll want to see this. Remember, you already have everything you need. You just need to start mixing.